Graphic design in 2025 is easier, smarter, and way more beginner-friendly than ever before. Whether you're designing for YouTube, your business, or just getting creative, these are the must-have tools every beginner needs right now. Let's get into it. First things first, the design tools. These are your digital canvases, and you don't need to break the bank to get started. Let's start with Canva, the go-to platform for non-designers and creative professionals who want to make stunning visuals without the steep learning curve of traditional design software. Whether you're a student, a small business owner, or just someone looking to spice up your social media, Canva makes design accessible to everyone. Its intuitive interface means you don't need any prior experience. Just log in, pick a template, and start creating. With its drag-and-drop functionality, you can easily add photos, text, icons, and illustrations to your projects. Canva offers thousands of professionally designed templates for everything from Instagram posts and YouTube thumbnails to business cards and presentations. You can customize colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand or personal style, making it incredibly versatile for any project. In 2025, Canva has taken things to the next level with its AI magic tools. These features can automatically generate entire presentations based on your prompts, write catchy captions for your posts, and even resize your designs perfectly for different platforms with just a click. This means you can save hours of work and focus on your message, not the formatting. While Canva Pro unlocks a massive library of premium assets, advanced features, and brand management tools, the free version is packed with enough resources to get you started and help you create professional-looking designs. Whether you're working solo or collaborating with a team, Canva is a powerful tool that brings your ideas to life. No design degree required. Next up is Adobe Express. Think of it as the lightweight, beginner-friendly version of Adobe's powerful apps. Perfect for quick social media posts, flyers, or reels. And it syncs with Adobe CreativeCloud if you ever level up to Photoshop or Illustrator. If you're interested in UI or UX design, or even if you just enjoy bringing your ideas to life visually, Figma is a tool you absolutely need to know about. It's become the industry standard for a reason. Figma isn't just another design app, it's a powerful web-based platform that lets you create, share, and iterate on designs with your team, all in real time. Whether you're working solo or collaborating with a group, Figma makes the process seamless and efficient. One of the best things about Figma is how it brings people together. You can see your teammates' cursors moving on the screen, leave comments, and make changes instantly. No more emailing files back and forth or worrying about version control. It's all about working together, no matter where you are in the world. And now, Figma has taken things to the next level by introducing AI-powered layout suggestions. This means the software can actually help you arrange your designs, suggest improvements, and even automate repetitive tasks, saving you tons of time and effort. With these new features, you can go from a rough idea to a polished prototype faster than ever before. Figma empowers you to experiment, iterate, and bring your creative visions to life with ease. It's pretty amazing to see how much you can accomplish, all in one place. Don't want to pay for Photoshop? Well, meet Photopea. It's basically Photoshop, but runs in your browser, for free. You can open PSD files, edit layers, and even export in the formats you need. Honestly, it's ridiculously good for a free tool. Now, if you're diving into logos, icons, or custom illustrations, you'll need a vector tool. Gravit Designer is beginner-friendly, works on any platform, and gives you clean vector editing without being overwhelming. And for those of you who love open-source software, Inkscape is powerful, 100% free, and capable of pro-level vector work. It's not the prettiest interface, but once you learn it, it's a beast. Let's talk AI, because in 2025, design is not just about clicking, it's about commanding. Khroma uses AI to create custom color palettes based on your preferences. You train it once, and it starts showing you colors you'll actually use. Remove.bg is the ultimate background remover. Just upload a photo and bam, the background disappears. This is a must-have for thumbnails, product photos, or memes, and it's now built into tools like Canva and Figma. Have you ever needed a professional logo, a polished voiceover, or even an entire branding kit, but felt overwhelmed by the time, effort, or cost involved? Maybe you're not a designer, or you just want something quick and easy that still looks amazing. That's where Designs.ai comes in, a powerful online platform that puts the magic of artificial intelligence at your fingertips. With Designs.ai, you can create everything you need for your brand, logos, voiceovers, videos, and even a complete branding kit, without having to lift a finger or learn complicated software. It's all about making design accessible, fast, and fun for everyone. Whether you're a small business owner, a student, or just someone with a creative idea, the platform uses advanced AI technology to understand your needs and generate professional quality results in minutes. All you have to do is enter a few details, and Designs.ai takes care of the rest. Simply tell Designs.ai your brand name, pick your preferred style, and let the AI work its magic. You can choose from a variety of design styles, color schemes, and templates to match your vision perfectly. In just a few clicks, you'll get a selection of unique logos, carefully curated color palettes, and even matching fonts, all tailored to your brand's personality and needs. And if you want to see how your new branding looks in the real world, Designs.ai can instantly generate realistic mock-ups, so you can visualize your brand on business cards, merchandise, websites, and more, all in a matter of seconds. Text makes or breaks a design. Seriously, don't sleep on choosing the right fonts. Google Fonts is a massive, free collection of web-safe, high-quality fonts. They work everywhere and are just perfect for brand consistency. For something more creative, quirky, or bold, DaFont and Squirrel are packed with free fonts that stand out. Just make sure to double-check license info if you're using them commercially. Good visuals need good ingredients, like photos, videos, and templates. These three are your holy trinity for free stock content. No watermarks, no weird licensing, just beautiful high-res visuals for your next project. If you're ready to go premium, Envato Elements is incredible. One subscription gives you unlimited access to templates, mockups, music, stock footage, you name it. Hey, so here are a few bonus tools that'll totally level up your workflow and boost your creativity. Need color inspiration? Coolors is fast, fun, and powered by AI. Just hit the spacebar. Boom, you get a new palette every single time. So, Lunacy is a free design app that works offline, but it actually comes packed with icons, illustrations, and even AI tools like avatar generation. It's kind of like Figma, but, with some awesome bonuses. Lastly, make sure you stay organized with Notion or Milanote. You can use them for mood boards, client feedback, or honestly, just keeping your creative chaos under control. And that's your complete graphic design starter kit for 2025. These tools will totally help you build your skills, your brand, and hey, maybe even your business. Smash the like button if you learned something new. Comment below. Which tool are you trying out first? And if you're into creative tools and tips, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell.